Coding is like having magic wand. Whatever crazy idea pops into your head, you can actually make it. But after you finish your courses, you're probably thinking, now what? And searching for something cool. Well, don't worry. I've got 7 cool projects for you, ranging from easy to hard. So stick around till the end and let's go. Before we start, if you have no idea about programming, I recommend watching this video. Our first project is Digital Clock. It's perfect for beginners because you will get to explore some core JavaScript concepts like date and set interval. You will learn how to grab the current time and update it every second, which is super useful for many future projects. It's a great way to practice working with time and DOM in real time. Similar project that you can work if you want to challenge yourself a bit more. You could try building a Pomodoro timer or even analog clock countdowns. These projects are a bit trickier, but they will really help you understand the deeper aspects of time manipulation in JavaScript. For Digital Clock project, I give it 3 out of 10 in difficulty. It's pretty simple and beginner friendly, but it will help you get familiar with key concepts. Building a keyboard with JavaScript where each key you press changes color. This project is great for learning about keyboard events like key down or key up and of course thumb manipulation. When you press a key, you can change its color and display it on the screen. Now if you want to level up your project, you can make it so that every time you press a key, it also types that character on the screen. This way, you will get comfortable with handling user interaction and working with text. For the difficulty level of this project, I rate it 4 out of 10. It's a bit more challenging than the previous project because you will need to manage events and also work with text and typing. But it's still totally a great learning experience. Now let's talk about the random passport generator. This project is awesome because it helps you dive into string manipulation, arrays, and randomization, all super significant skill in JavaScript. You will learn how to generate random characters, pick them from arrays, and put them all together to create secure password. Plus, you can customize the length and type of character, making it more interactive. And when it comes to difficulty, I rate it 5 out of 10. It's a bit more challenging than the clock because you will need to understand how to work with random values and arrays, because it's still manageable and super rewarding when you see your random passwords pop up. Building a chatbot is an awesome project because it teaches you how to work with user inputs and make your program interact like it's having a real conversation. You will learn how to process text, handle different responses based on keywords or phrases, and use conditional statements to give different answers. You might even get into API integration to make your chatbot smarter and more interactive. A basic chatbot can be as simple as responding to certain words, while more advanced ones use natural language processing to understand a wider range of inputs. For the difficulty, I rate 6 out of 10. It's not super hard, but you will need to understand how to handle user inputs, process inputs, and build a system that can provide meaningful responses. If you go to extra mile with advanced feature, it can definitely get a bit more challenging. Next up, we have the snake game. Classic, right? But this game helps you learn some key concepts like game loops, collision detection, and tracking player movement. You will need to understand arrays and events to control the snake and make it grow as it eats food. Is a great project for diving into canvas drawing and learning how to handle multiple moving elements on the screen. It will push you to think about game machines and make your code run smoothly in real time. For difficulty, I rated 6 out of 10. It's a pretty complex game to build because it involves handling a lot of moving parts, detecting collision, and keeping track of the game state. It's hard for beginner but is also a fun challenge and you will learn a lot of things of this project. A to-do list with local storage and drag and drop is the perfect project to take your JavaScript skill to the next level. It's more than just a basic and simple to-do list. With local storage, users don't have to worry about losing their task when they refresh the page, and with drag and drop functionality, they can easily reorder their task, making experience smoother and more dynamic. This project is a fantastic way to practice DOM manipulation, event handling, and working with browser storage. For difficulty, I rate 6 out of 10. It's a step up from a basic to-do list because it requires handling multiply event listener and saving dynamic position, but it's still a great project for anyone looking to improve their JavaScript skills. Building a music platform is a fantastic front-end project that combines creativity with technical skills, offering an immersive experience in web development, audio processing, and user interaction. Imagine creating your own version of Spotify or SoundCloud, where users can play, pause, skip track, and even build their own playlists, all within the browser. This project will teach you how to work with Audio API, allowing you to control music playback, adjust volume, and even add cool features like shuffle and looping. You will also get the chance to enhance the user interface with elements like album covers, song lyric, and real-time visualization. Then move to the beats of the music using the Web Audio API. For difficulty, I rate 7 out of 10. Is not beginner friendly, but with the right approach, you will gain experience in front-end and making a valuable project for front-end developer. Alright, that's the list of JavaScript projects. Now it's your turn to pick one and start building. Remember, coding is all about practice, so even if it feels tough, keep going. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep coding and have fun. That's it.